Imagine talking to an AI that's just like you. What if you could get tailored responses every time? Today, we're diving into how to create effective prompts for ChatGPT. Using roles, constraints, and context will change your experience. You'll learn how to craft prompts that lead to better answers. This helps you maximize the potential of AI. Let's break this down into simple steps. First, understand roles. A role defines how the AI behaves. You can ask ChatGPT to act like a teacher, a chef, or a travel expert. This tells ChatGPT to provide responses with a historical perspective. This method ensures the answers are relevant and nuanced. Next, add constraints. Constraints limit the responses. They focus the AI's output on what you need. For instance, you can say, in 100 words or less. You could prompt, explain photosynthesis in 3 sentences. Now, let's talk about context. Context is the background information that shapes the response. Providing context makes the interaction richer and more valuable. If you're asking about marketing, say, I'm looking for digital strategies for small businesses. This context guides ChatGPT to give specifically tailored advice. This prompt defines the role, adds constraints, and provides necessary context. You'll get a focused and relevant response. The clarity in your request helps the AI generate what you truly need. To summarize, defining roles helps set expectations. Adding constraints creates focus. Providing context enriches responses. These strategies enhance your experience with ChatGPT. Give roles, apply constraints, and provide context. Unlock the power of AI with your words. If you found this helpful, start experimenting with your own prompts today. In the next video we will discuss about advanced prompt techniques. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on using AI effectively. Thank you.